Hey guys, my name is Jason from Simple Cookery, and today we're making Thai fried rice. Let's go! To look at the ingredients, we need our most essential ingredients of all, our fried rice. Now to make the best fried rice, cook your rice the night before and put it in the fridge overnight. That way there'll be less moisture in the rice, and when you put it in a pan, it's ready to go. Now next you got your protein. I'm using chicken today, but you could use seafood, pork, lamb, beef, anything you want. Now we got some chili and garlic just to give it a nice spicy and garlicky flavor. Some onions, some Thai basil. Now to make the sauce you got oyster sauce, fish sauce and sugar, and that's how easy it is. So let's go. So the first thing you want to do is dice 1 clove of garlic, cut up 1 small chili. For the vegetable you could go in any direction you want. For today I'm going with the cucumber because it's nice and easy and you don't have to cook it with the fried rice. Now what we also gonna do is to grab an egg and whisk it slightly. Now for the sauce, we want to put 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now when you're frying, you want to get all your ingredients on your side because everything's going to be quick. So the first thing you want to do is oil up your pan, put in the garlic and chili, and you're going to cook them for around a minute just to let those flavors sit into the oil. Put in your chicken, stir them every few seconds and cook them evenly. So the thing about frying is you want to make sure your pan is extremely hot when it's frying. So that way it's going to give that wok flavor and make sure things doesn't stick to your pan as well. So after a few minutes, or once your chicken's almost cooked, put in your onions and fry for a few more minutes. Now what you want to do next is brush the onions and the chicken to the side of the wok, and you're going to put in some oil and put in your egg. Scramble it a little and then put in your rice. Mix everything in the wok together. Put in your sauce. And put in your green basil. Make sure you're continually stirring so that nothing sticks together. Now fry for a few minutes. After that, it's time to serve up. Hi guys, what we have here is fried rice. Thai style.
That's right.
Look who's hungry.
Wow.
Yes?
The basil, the garlic and the chili, they just add such a different flavor to it. I've never tried
I know, eh?
Thai fried rice, but wow. I reckon that's my favorite fried rice. We're gonna make pineapple fried rice next as well, guys. And so we make kimchi fried rice, Thai fried rice, we'll make a regular fried rice, and nasi goreng as well. Eh?
If you like this recipe, please press like and subscribe down below. We would really appreciate that. And don't forget to like us on Instagram as well. We're posting content weekly. And in Simple Cookery, we teach you simple recipes and cooking techniques to get you more confident in the kitchen. And we're out. Bye bye.